Are you looking for the best backup camera? In this video, we will look at some of the best backup camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. DoHonest V25. The DoHonest V25 wireless backup camera has all the high-quality features you could ask for in a backup camera. This model uses a wireless design for easier installation. There's a transmitter built into the wireless camera that you place at the rear of your vehicle, which sends images to the 5-inch HD LCD screen included in the sale. All images will be crystal clear thanks to the 6-glass lens on the camera and updated chip. The lenses are 150-degree wide angle, giving you one of the widest fields of view on the market. Updates have also been made to the camera to provide a more colorful image in low-light environments. The camera has an IP69 waterproof rating, so you'll never need to worry about using it in heavy rainfall. You'll also be able to use this product with confidence in hot climates, as it can withstand temperatures up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. When reversing, guidelines will help you back into your space with greater precision. These guidelines can be adjusted to suit vehicles of just about every shape and size. This isn't the cheapest backup camera on the market, but you'll be able to buy it with confidence, as it comes with a 2-year warranty. Number 2. Leekooluu LK3. The Leekooluu LK3 HD 1080p backup camera comes very close to taking the best overall award, and it's not hard to see why. Unfortunately, the one thing that holds this model back is that it's a wired camera system. So, both the monitor and camera need to be connected by a 4-pin connector before you can use the system. If you can get past this relatively minor inconvenience, then there's no reason not to choose this model. You'll be able to see vivid images via the 4.3-inch HD LCD monitor. The monitor is equipped with a magnetic bracket, so you can rotate it 360 degrees to find the best viewing angle. The upgraded 6-glass lens also contributes to the crystal clear image you see on the monitor. Even at night, you'll be able to see up to 30 feet in complete darkness, thanks to the digital high-definition image processor. This iteration of the product has been upgraded to IP69 waterproof, so you'll be able to use it in any weather conditions. It's hard to believe this model's price point, especially when you consider that it comes with a 2-year warranty. Number 3. Hopkins Smart Hitch. If you regularly find yourself lining up your hitch with a trailer, then the Hopkins Smart Hitch backup camera is for you. This camera system helps you to easily align the ball to the trailer without any additional assistance. The Smart Zone sensor camera plugs into the existing tow wiring connector at the back of your vehicle, so this model is relatively easy to set up. However, if there's no existing tow wiring, the unit must be hardwired into the reverse light wiring. This model will fit practically all vehicles thanks to the 25-foot camera-to-monitor cable included in the sale. The camera is mounted behind the license plate and plugs into the tow package connector from here. The most off-putting aspect of this camera system is its high price point, but if you connect to trailers often, then it's probably worth it. You'll never need to worry about harsh weather conditions damaging your equipment, as the backup camera is weather resistant. There's a 110-degree viewing angle, which is somewhat limited when compared to other models in this niche. While the 3.5-inch color display monitor won't win any awards, it gives a clear vision of what's behind you. Number 4. Leekooluu LK5. The Leekooluu LK5 wireless backup camera is perfect for people who drive RVs or carry large trailers. This wireless camera system uses an enhanced antenna, so its signal can reach up to 450 feet in an open area and 270 feet in vehicles. Although this system is made for large vehicles, it's still easy to install. All you need to do to set up this system is connect the camera to the taillights and connect the monitor to a power source in the cabin. The 7-inch split-screen monitor can handle up to 4 wireless backup cameras. The operator can choose between viewing multiple camera angles in split-screen mode or one angle in single-screen mode. You don't need to worry about using this IP69K all-metal camera in poor weather conditions, as it's waterproof and can withstand extremely high and low temperatures. This camera uses a new high-definition chip that improves image definition. Even at night, you'll be able to see clearly as this model uses 18 infrared lights, which improve the brightness of the image in low-light conditions. Although this is one of the more expensive cameras on the list, it comes with a 2-year warranty so you can buy with confidence. Number 5. ShortOut Dash Cam. The ShortOut Dash Cam front and rear is ideal for someone who needs both a front-facing dash camera and a backup camera. The front camera records in 1080p, so you can rest assured that you'll capture everything clearly, including license plates and road signs. The front camera uses a 170-degree lens and the rear camera uses a 130-degree lens, so you won't have many blind spots. As soon as you engage your vehicle's reverse gear, the backup camera will send an image to this system's monitor. The dashboard camera can support micro SD cards up to 32 GB. Once you fill the 32 GB card, the system uses loop recording technology, which overwrites the old footage with new content. A variable sensitivity G sensor automatically detects a sudden collision and immediately saves the relevant footage, locking it to an SOS file. Any impact with your car will automatically power on the dash cam and set it to record. You can attach the dash cam to any area of your windshield in seconds via the suction mount. When you want to start using it, just insert an SD card, not included, and connect the camera to a power supply. Every time you turn off your vehicle's engine, the dash cam will shut down and save the most recent footage.